this channel where we spread love and positivity only. And I want to start by thanking our subscribers, our new subscribers, our returning subscribers. We really appreciate you. We thank you so much. And we pray for you guys that God blesses you, enlarges you, protects you, and shields you together with the family. We don't take it for granted. And today we are going to unveil the hidden secrets of Jamaica. I don't think even the Jamaicans themselves know this place. It's a wonderful place. It's a beautiful place. It's a historical place. And you're going to go through this place and discover the hidden secrets of Jamaica. And guys, I want to start by saying Jamaica is a great country. It's a beautiful land, and we have all said about it. Every YouTuber that goes to Jamaica talks about the beautiful land of Jamaica, the beautiful people of Jamaica, the great music along Jamaican streets, in the Jamaican halls, in the festivals, and everywhere. And I've discovered a lot about Jamaica. They have different types of music, and they also have cultural musics that are inherited from Africa. That is, by the way, it was not the main purpose of this video. The main purpose of this video actually is to unveil the hidden secrets of Jamaica. Jamaica has 14 parishes. We all know that. And there are parishes that are quite large, and there are others that are small. I want to talk about the second smallest parish in Jamaica. Guess which one it is in the comment section. I am talking about the second smallest parish in Jamaica. And this parish, though small, it is actually a powerhouse in Jamaica because it has very critical historical sites. And apart from that, it is made up of very beautiful sites to behold. It is one of the parishes that are visited by who is who in Jamaica and even outside Jamaica. I hope now you have guessed right. It is the parish of Hanover, the Hanover parish. The Hanover parish is actually the second smallest parish in Jamaica, but it is actually a powerhouse in Jamaica. And I'm going to tell you why it is a powerhouse. The Hanover parish has got some of the notable places and notable sites and historical sites that you have ever heard about, even those that belongs to Jamaica. And I want to start by saying the Hanover parish is actually the home of national heroes. It is a hotspot for the national heroes. It is the home place of Alexander Bastimanti. Is it Bastimanti? Bastimanti, who was actually Jamaica's first prime minister. He was a national hero in Jamaica, and he was born in this small parish, the parish of Hanover. It is actually known because this hero, Alexander, came from Hanover parish. And not even that, the Hanover parish hosts, or rather has, the Dolphin Head Mountain. It is actually the peak of the Hanover parish, and it is a landmark for the ships in the sea. The top of that mountain, the Dolphin Head Mountain, that top acts as a landmark for the ship in the sea. And not even that, it has inspiring views that are breathtaking, very nice views. If you look at it, it is so green with vegetation, and it is so beautiful, and it is a tourist attraction site in the parish of Hanover, the Dolphin Head Mountain. And the Jamaicans in the house can tell us, does this mountain has dolphin? Remember that dolphins are friendly, they are laughing, they are peaceful. And I think the parish of Hanover, the people in the house who come from Hanover can tell us, must be a peaceful place, friendly place, just like any other place in Jamaica. So you're going to tell us in the comment section below. So the Dolphin Head Mountain is actually located in the Hanover parish. It is also a hiking where people go and hike and have fun and enjoy themselves and enjoy the atmosphere and the vegetation of the beautiful Jamaica. Number 3, the parish of Hanover hosts or has the Rusi Clock Tower. The Rusia Clock Tower, let me call it the Rusia. Rusia is the capital city of Hanover. The Rusia Clock Tower is a clock that had come all the way from Germany, and it was meant to be taken to St. Lucie. But the captain of the ship confused between Rusia and St. Lucie and actually took it to Rusia in Hanover parish. And when it arrived there, when the people of Hanover saw it, they refused to take it back to St. Lucie, and they actually added some money to purchase it, and it was planted or rather put by a Germany expert in the parish of Hanover. It is a historical site because this history I'm giving you is for a long time ago. It's not now. It is actually an ancient tower. And it is one of the landmarks in the Hanover parish. So you can imagine all those years, this clock has remained to be there as a historical site and as a tourist attraction site in the Hanover parish. I'm telling you, I'm going to unveil all the hidden secrets in Jamaica. This parish is a small parish, and most of the Jamaicans, by the way, I know, have not visited this parish. But we are telling you now because if I was to travel to Jamaica today, I would visit the Hanover parish because I saw that there are some places, ancient places, that are so beautiful, that are so historical, that I would want to go and see. The other landmark in the Hanover parish is the Tri-All Club. The Tri-All Club has facilities for families, for friends, for who? For people that come to visit Hanover parish. It is actually said it has the best private hotels, private beaches, and people come and visit there. I saw, like, at one time, Harry and Meghan had actually visited this Tri-All Club. I don't know whether I'm true, but you can comment in the comment section below. So it is a very beautiful sight to behold. People come all over with their friends, with their families, to enjoy themselves in the Tri-All Club. And actually it has a golf field. It has some games that you can play around in the club, and therefore it is quite an enjoyable place to be as a family, as a tourist, as anybody that goes to Jamaica. It's a beautiful place. Then we have the Loud Hill Hotel and Villa. These are hotels and villas, and this is where the who is who in Jamaica and outside Jamaica go. The rich and the famous come here in the Loud Hill Hotel and Villa. Actually, the fashion icons, the Hollywood stars, actually who is who, come in this Loud Hill Hotel and Villa. They enjoy themselves in the beach umbrellas, and they have a good time in a private beach where you can have your private time, your alone time, and enjoy yourself. So if you want to meet celebrities, if you want to meet who is who, if you want to meet fashion icons, if you want to meet the Hollywood stars, you can actually go to the Loud Hill Hotel and Villa, and you might be lucky to collide with one of them around the parts or the streets of the Loud Hill Hotel and Villa. So this is also in the Hanover parish. Not even that, they have the Negri Better Half Beach. I don't know why it was called Better Half. I think this is where a couple goes and enjoy themselves. It is an extended beach and it touches Hanover, part of Hanover. It is actually Negri, but it touches part of Hanover, and it is a paradise. It's a very beautiful beach extending 7 miles of the beach part, and it is part of Hanover, like I had said, and it has sandy treasures. You can enjoy yourself along the beach, an extended beach, a beautiful beach, beautiful hotels, beautiful resorts, and this is the place to be. Then it has the Kenworthy ruins. The Kenworthy ruins are actually a reminder of the sugar industry. These are very ancient buildings. Actually, I was seeing them in the videos and they look very, very old, but very, very beautiful and well managed, well kept, and they are very, very beautiful. They have old walls and ancient buildings. So it's a sight to behold and to remember the sugar industries and what was going on in Jamaica during the colonial times. Then we have the Fort Charlotte. The Fort Charlotte is also in the Hanover parish. It gives the Jamaicans the military history. It is about the military history, and it is a very, very beautiful place that was named after the wife of King George. Actually, the Fort Charlotte is actually, the Charlotte was the name of the wife of King George, and therefore it was named after her, and it is a beautiful place to be. And I want to say, there is also in Hanover parish, the Etu dance. This is an African dance inherited from Africa. Remember that Jamaicans came from Africa and they were captured as slaves and brought to Jamaica. And therefore this dance has been inherited from the African roots. And it is a very beautiful dance. And I could sit and I could dance together with those women. And I was feeling the feeling of excitement and the feeling of happiness, remembering that this is a dance that originated from our African roots. It has the ability to keep, it shows the ability of Jamaican people to keep their culture, to enjoy their culture, to feel belonging to the African culture. And it is still practiced even up to today. So it is actually a home for the Etu dance. When you go to the Hanover parish, you'll find this dance being danced, and you'll enjoy yourself and you'll remember the African heritage of the people of Jamaica. So those are the secret hidden, the hidden secrets of Hanover, the second smallest parish in Jamaica. I hope you have enjoyed that, and we are going to go directly to something else. And I want to talk about what has been going on. I want to talk about what has been going on recently, because there has been a lot of drama in the Mwango's family, and I am Marwa's the brother to the Mwango life. And actually these shenanigans, or this what can I call them, by the way, guys? Gossips have actually come and touched the Mwango, and there is a lot of stories being spread all over Kenya by the YouTubers that originally spent time with Ayamarwa during the 1 month party. And I want to say, I really admire the Mwango. I really admire her independence. I really admire her stand. I really admire her ability to say no to some things that are very, very funny. Because remember, the Mwango refused to attend the 1 month party. And she categorically said some of the people that were in the villa were actually their neighbors, but they have never spoken to them. But now that they have heard there is a party, they have come pretending to be friends. Actually, those are the words she used. And now I'm coming to remember those words. And I'm saying this woman was always correct. She knew that these people are wolves in sheep clothing. They had actually come to the villa to collect information and to go and take it outside there and to destroy this family. And I want to talk about some lies that I categorically had with some of them. One of them is this guy called Sejo. Sejo is one of the guys that had a taxi, and he was actually the one who was ferrying the visitors from Marwa's villa to the border, or from the border to Marwa's villa. He had a vehicle. And he had a complicated story with this lady called Joasis. But now they have combined hands and both of them are attacking Marwa. I want you to ask yourself, what is the common denominator between Joasis and Sijo? Because at one time it was said Sijo wanted to rape Joasis. But when it came to attacking Marwa, when it came to actually negativity, they have combined hands. And I want to say categorically, there is so much behind what is happening. The reason why I'm saying this, there is this woman who came claiming, and actually it is Sijo who started this story, and said that Marwa had planned a gang to come and attack Caro. I am Caro. Caro is one of the negative reactors, and actually the woman who has actually participated a lot in bringing this family down. So Sijo claimed that there were some goons that were hired to attack Caro. And I was looking at them and I was wondering, I saw myself, Caro, visiting Nyambohanse. She was all alone in a motorbike. She actually took a motorbike from Migori to Nyambohanse, and she had gone to see Max One. And she was all alone during that time. But I was shocked to see the lies that these people can spread. And Caro came to say that she had some police officers because she had been informed earlier that there were some hired goons. But according to Sijo, these hired goons were him and Mayuguno. And they were in Nairobi. And Mara was calling them to travel all the way from Nairobi to Nyambohanse so that they can handle Amkalo. I want to tell you categorically, from Nairobi to Nyambohanse, it's more than 8 hours. I don't understand how Sijo and Mayuguno would have traveled 8 hours to still find Ayamkaro in Nyambohanse. That was a very big lie, an open lie, a lie which anybody can see, but they have refused to see. Number 2, Ayamkaro claims to have had police officers because she knew there were some people who had been hired. Who are these who had been hired? And according to Sijo, it is him and Mayuno that were called by Ayamarwa to come from Nairobi to deal with Amkaro. You see, lies always comes out at the right time. And then Sijo says that these people are paid so that they can actually handle Amkaro. Amkaro moved around Nyambohanse with Max One, and I think, who was the other one? Pharaoh the boy, somebody like that. And she finished her shenanigans, and she actually came to bring money because according to her, she had been given money because Max One Instagram page was not working, and I think his email address. So she was given money by somebody abroad to bring to Max One. I hope you remember that story. And according to Caro, she had brought this money. So I always tell you, these people are paid to bring Ayamarwa down. And they are paid by people who are powerful, who are working in the diaspora. And some of them are in UK, others are in America. So that you can believe, there is this lady that was in Nyambohanse when this party was going on, and I found her there and I left her there, Esther Juguna. Esther Juguna lifestyle came and said she was actually told that she would be paid so that she can show the bad sides or the bad parts of the villa. But she declined and said she cannot accept any money to show the bad side of the villa, and she has come there and given job to put the curtains in the villa, and therefore she cannot show the bad side of the villa. And this guy who called her actually was very hurted by the fact that Esther Jogona refused to be paid. Remember that I am Mawera also talked about being paid so that he can talk negatively about Marwa. Today, what is the name of this guy? Odinga, something Odinga, Prince Odinga. Today he said, he said something that made me to see. This guy called Strongman had come all the way from Mombasa. First ask yourself, which man with a family, a wife and children, will come from Nyambuhasa to Mombasa? It's actually more than 2 days, I think. You will spend 2 days. So you come all the way from Mombasa, and the mother talked about people who came from Mombasa and pretending to be friends, but she talked about it. That is why I'm saying this woman has the ability to see people who are bad and people who are good. So this guy claims to have come from Mombasa all the way to Nyambuhanse to help Marwa with the water piping or something like that. And she was volunteering to do it for free. Somebody who has a family, a wife and children, doing work for free, coming all the way from Mombasa to Nyambuhanse, I put a lot of question marks. This guy was actually hired. He was on a payroll. And you all heard the wife, the way she was talking. They were on a payroll to come and get information, to come and look at the back sides of the villa and communicate, and they were being paid. Because there is no way a man can spend, I think he stayed there for more than 2 months. And he even brought the wife and the children to come to the villa, and they stayed there for some days. Who does that? This guy was under payroll for somebody so that he can come and destroy everything about what Ayamarwa was doing. So the mwango story about Miguel Ponti, all those shenanigans are actually coming from diaspora, from people who want to destroy this family. I want to talk about the courageous nature of the mwango and the ability to perceive trouble from afar. I think this woman has the seventh sense, because sometimes I wonder how she goes in very dangerous places and she comes out of them unhurt. Well, first of all, I want to admire her courage. I want to admire her reliance on God to protect her, because when you actually, we are told, acknowledge God and do not lean on your own understanding. So I think I admire her ability to rely on God, and actually her courage and her ability to see people who are not good. And that is why she is able to attract people who are good. One thing that I have admired with the mwango, she talked about these people that were in Nyambuhanse long before these stories of negativity came to be, because she had foreseen what would happen after this party. And not even that, wherever she goes, the mwango goes to very dangerous places and comes out whole, because she has a seventh sense that tells her to come out of any dangerous place and to go to the good places. I was watching her the other day being rained on the streets of Mexico, actually the biggest market in Mexico. And I was admiring her independence, her courage, her nature, the ability to actually shut away the discouragement and the fear that is put in her, and to pursue her goal, to pursue her vision, to pursue her whatever she wants to do. I really admire her character. And therefore, today I want to celebrate the mwango. The other thing that I wanted to talk about the mwango, I've seen a lot of comments from Jamaica telling the mwango that she did not assist them during the Beryl hurricane. Let me tell you guys, you remember Cola Smith talked about him and friends building houses for people. Kino also assisted. The mwango has actually assisted the organization that Kino heads. And maybe, I'm saying maybe because I'm not sure, she actually helped through Cola Smith and Kino. Because the mwango is not the type to help and come and shout, I am doing this and this, I am doing this and this. I'm not saying it's bad to shout, but I think everybody has got their character. There are those people that are going to help and they do not talk about it. Like, for example, there is this guy whom they were moving with the taxi driver in Mexico who volunteered to take her out. And it happened that his phone got lost. According to the mwango in the recent video, she actually bought a phone for this man. But she didn't come to show us buying the phone or giving the man the phone or doing all those shenanigans. So I'm pretty sure the mwango has done something about the Beryl hurricane, but through other people. She will not come and shout, this is what I am doing, this is what I'm doing. But she can do it behind the scenes using the people that are there on the ground like Cora Smith and Kino. And let us wait and see, because one day we are going to know how far she went to actually assist the people that have been affected by Hurricane Beryl. And I really feel Jamaicans deserve to be helped because they are great people, they are good people, they are wonderful people. They are people who actually you feel enough, or rather you actually love them the minute you encounter them, the minute you interact with them, the minute you have a talk with them, even in the social media. They are great people, and therefore they deserve to be assisted in times of trouble. They deserve friends that are going to come in and assist them during the hard times. And when God blesses us, we will not shy away from coming and assisting the people of Jamaica, because they are great people, they are wonderful people, they are kind people, they are loving people, they are down to earth people, and we love them. And I'm sure the mwango, as I have said, has done something or will do something, because she really loves Jamaica with all her heart. I don't understand why people come and say, maybe she's using Jamaica to get views. No, no, no. She has gone to so many countries, and there is no single country the mwango has talked about loving the country apart from Jamaica. So she has actually fallen in love with Jamaica, and she loves Jamaica and should want to stay in Jamaica, and therefore she will help Jamaica because that is her second home. And she always tells us that. So guys, I think I'll stop there in this video. Thank you for always watching me. Continue sharing the video, continue liking, subscribing to the channel, commenting down below, and we love you for what you are doing to us. Bye bye. See you during the next video.